Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone actually has NFC and that the app has permissions. This avoids wasted troubleshooting. Once done, enable NFC in Settings, Connected Devices, and leave the screen unlocked so tags are accepted immediately. Make sure you know where the antenna sits on your model because precise placement matters for reliable reads. Now open the NFC Reader app or the feature in your app and get ready to bring a tag close. That first contact begins the data exchange. You will now perform the core read operation. With your app using NFC adapter or enable reader mode, bring the tag within a couple centimeters of the antenna and hold steady until the app confirms a read. Once the tag is detected, your app receives an intent or callback with raw NDEF payloads, so parse MIME, URI, or text records accordingly. Because tags vary, implement retries and short delays. This improves success rates and explains why some tags need reorientation or a second attempt to deliver complete data. To finish, write by creating an NDEF message with appropriate NDEF records, verify the tag has enough capacity and is writable, then commit the transaction and immediately read back to confirm. If you need persistence, consider locking or using password-protected tags so data remains intact. Remember, this is irreversible on some tags. If writes or reads fail, retry with a fresh tag, reposition the antenna, and recheck app permissions and foreground state. This single troubleshooting tip often resolves most intermittent NFC.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.